access and 3 outdoor swimming pools. We have massage and spa services. We have gym soon. Okay, wala pa na-upgrade. We have sports and recreation area. Under that is billiards and karaoke. For various resort outdoor activities, we have kayaking, snorkeling. We have our newest crystal kayak and paddle boarding. We also have area for kids where they can play, and then basic swimming lessons and movie night. So depende kung sa inyong buhatan dito. But the good thing about going to Martin Bohol is that along Anda naman may makitaan nga lilain sa lugar. So marag silbi kami ang inyong humble abode when you go to Anda. So we would like to thank the Anda Tourism for bringing us here and for supporting us all the way through. Next, sir. So additional facilities naman, we have the Martin Bohol Cave, which will be opening soon, and we also have our Maning souvenir shop. For travel time, daghan kay mawata na maglibog sila. How do we go from Panglao to Anda, from Tagbilaran to Anda? So sayon we're gonna siya kay 2 hours lang hindi hapon travel time. So as you can see, to Bohol, Panglao International Airport, that's 2 hours and 20 minutes. To Tagbilaran Port, that's 2 hours as well. From Tupigon Port, we have 2 hours and 15 minutes, and to Hetafe Port, that's 1 hour and 15 minutes. So worth it magpod kay you can also explore some of the areas nearby at that. Next is kay Cebu po, Dao or Dao? Dao. So from Dao to Anda, that's 5 to 10 a.m., 7 a.m. to 12 noon. Next is Anda to Dao, 10 a.m. to 2, then ay 12 to 4. So, kanya siya, makita naman ninyo sa among Facebook page if you follow us. So, I don't need to all minutes. Alright, so again, we are located at Barangay Banilad in Candabong, Anda, Bohol. So, just look at the screen so you would see kana among video, no? And by the way, right now we are at booth L5. So if you visit us, mo niya mo ang Sandugo rate. So instead of the 5-5 deluxe room, that's 4-5 nala. And then sa premier room, we also have 5-5 for the Sandugo rate. So if mo-book mo karon, mo niya ang inyong rates na makuha. Validity is August 2 until August 4 of next year. Next year. And then we have the Barkada Bonanza. So if there are 5 rooms that are booked, so 1 free overnight stay. So pwede naman magtunga sa inyong kaning mga medicine students. I'm sure daghan mo din So if you wanna explore Martin Bohol and Anda more, you can opt to book this one. Next week. Yes, and naami day use. So before day use na good me, among gi-add si night use kay nakita na mga people are looking to kanang hindot nga view po sa atong skies. So that's why we added the night use. So if you buy 5, you get 1 voucher free. So pila to mga kabuok man. Kani jud gabuhan. So we have 800 per voucher for our day or night use. So one special offers. Have video.